Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use the Service Titan for beginners. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Then using the search bar at the tab, just have to search for Service Titan. And you'll be able to see this first website. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. That's right. And then after that, you will be directed to their website. So right here, of course, before you can sign up for an account, you have to, try their demo first. So to get their demo, all you have to do is to tap on this option. That's right. And then here, you just have to request a personalized demo. So you just have to select your industry, select the number of tasks, and then if do you have at least one full-time office employee, then you just have to fill out this field. After that, you just have to tap on the agree and continue option. After that, then you just have to wait for their instruction, then you can get the demo. So since we cannot really request a demo from our current region, so what I am going to do here is to discuss to you, okay, the different features of this tool. Okay, so for example, let's go to the residentials and let's go to the HVAC. So for example, you are running an HVAC system. Okay, so here Service Titan powers HVAC businesses to the next level. Okay, so for example, for the commercial section, as you can see, for the proposals, easily build multi-option proposals to win more jobs. So this is how it looks like inside the tool. And for the job costing, it ensures profitability on every commercial HVAC job. And for the CRM, so elevate the customer experience for the commercial clients. So you have these information right here. Okay, so this is how it looks like inside the tool. And for the reporting, okay, as you can see, we have this charts right here. We have the pie chart and the bar graph. Okay, so you'd be able to see here the percentage. You have your jobs total revenue, total costs, gross margin, and the gross margin percentage. And for the service agreement, okay, so here you can automate your commercial HVAC service agreements right here. Okay, so you have here this details. So you have the status, the customer, the cover location, and the other info as well. And for the accounting, so simplify the HVAC contractor accounting software integration. So for the pricing, you can grow your profit margins with HVAC pricing software. All right, so you can see here we have the name of your clients, the description, the number of your customers, the location, and then the date. And for the client portal, to enhance transparency with a self-service customer portal. So you can give commercial HVAC customers access to personalized portal to view previous service histories, request work orders, pay outstanding invoices, and more. So that's for the commercial. Now let's go to the construction area. So for the project management, so you can monitor progress, cost, timelines, and the profits accurately and in real time for every construction job, identify risk and allocate resources effectively. For the billing, so complex construction projects require simple payment terms that follow the AIA billing standards. The billing software simplifies collecting payments at every phase. And for crew management, so HVAC construction projects requires all hands on deck, track your team's performance insights, task-specific time tracking, and real-time capacity management. And for the accounting integration, integrate Service Titan with the QuickBooks, Sage Intacct, Viewpoint Vista, and other common accounting tools to keep your finance and field teams in alignment. For the inventory, as you can see right here, the HVAC inventory software automatically tracks warehouse counts, ensures trucks remain stocked, and generates accurate purchase orders to keep parts and materials in stock. And here, HVAC estimating software, when profitability construction jobs with Service Titans Estimate Builder that automatically displays detailed job info as well as gross margins and cost insights. And for the dynamic forms, you can optimize the workflows and keep jobs on schedule by equipping your crews with dynamic time saving digital forms that automatically sync back to your office team. And for the WIP reporting, customize your WIP report, identify risk early, accurately track the project costs, and help you effectively allocate resources across construction jobs with ease. And for the residential, so for the marketing, so get the most out of your HVAC marketing budget and invest only in residential advertising strategies that keep your phone ringing and your revenues rising. For the scheduling, so you can boost your bookings and streamline HVAC scheduling with workflows assigned to let your customers book online via chat or by phone effortlessly. And yeah, you can also make it easy for techs to quickly build residential HVAC estimate in the field and give your office team the tools to follow up on installed estimates. And you can also enhance the customer satisfaction by providing visibility into ongoing or future work, send real-time jobs notifications, and enable two-way SMS communication. And efficiently dispatch the right tech to the right job every time. So respond to scheduling curveballs easily and grow your HVAC process profits. Okay. For the mobile app, you can equip your HVAC techs with a mobile app that includes job details, an up-to-date price book, complete service histories, payment processing, and much more. And for the invoicing software, utilize an automated invoice management system that makes it easy for HVAC techs to send invoices via text or email and collect payments in the field. And for the accounting software, of course, sync the HVAC transaction in Service Titan across your entire business, manage invoices in one location, and eliminate time consuming manual processes. So overall, the Service Titan is relevant for our business because it helps manage daily operations in one place, especially for service-based companies. It makes scheduling jobs, sending invoices, tracking payments, and managing customer easier and more organized. So by using the Service Titan, businesses can save time, reduce mistakes, improve customer service, and clearly see their sales and performance, which helps them make better decisions and grow more efficiently. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.